Join me as I take on the challenge of making the most delicious beef chili from scratch, and I'll show you just how easy it can be. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for a hearty, comforting meal that doesn't take all day to prepare. A good beef chili recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need something quick and satisfying. The problem is, many recipes can be quite complicated, with a long list of ingredients and steps that seem to drag on forever. I've been there too, scrolling through cookbooks or websites, searching for a recipe that promises to deliver on flavor without sacrificing too much of my precious time. By the way, the recipe for the beef chili can be found in the posts of my channel. But please, watch this video first till the end. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good chili? It's the ultimate comfort food, perfect for snuggling up on a cold evening or serving to a crowd of hungry friends. The key is finding that perfect balance between rich flavor and simplicity. When I'm cooking for myself or my family, I want a recipe that's straightforward but still packs a punch when it comes to taste. That's why I'm excited to share this beef chili recipe that's not only mouth-wateringly delicious but also surprisingly easy to make. It's a game changer for those busy nights when takeout seems like the only option. To make this magic happen, you'll first need to gather your ingredients. Here's what you'll need: ground beef, onions, garlic, bell peppers, a can of diced tomatoes, kidney beans, chili powder, and some basic spices like salt, pepper, and cumin. Simple, right? Once you have everything ready, it's time to start cooking. Begin by browning the ground beef in a large pot over medium-high heat. Break it up into small pieces as it cooks to ensure it's nice and fine. Once the beef is browned, add in your chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Cook until they're soft and fragrant, which should only take a few minutes. Here's where the magic starts to happen. Add in your chili powder and spices, stirring them in to coat the beef and veggies evenly. Let it cook for a minute to allow the spices to bloom. Next, add in your diced tomatoes and beans. Stir everything together, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. The longer it simmers, the better it gets, but even 30 minutes will yield amazing results. As it cooks, the flavors melt together in perfect harmony. And speaking of harmony, there's one special ingredient that takes this chili to the next level: a little bit of cocoa powder. Yes, you read that right. Cocoa powder adds a depth of flavor that makes this chili truly irresistible. The cocoa powder might sound unusual, but trust me, it's a total game changer. It adds a richness that complements the beef and tomatoes perfectly. Just a tablespoon or two will do the trick. Stir it in during the last 10 minutes of simmering, and watch how it transforms the entire dish. To recap, we've covered how to make a delicious beef chili that's perfect for any occasion. It starts with browning the beef, then softening the veggies, followed by adding in your spices, tomatoes, and beans. Let it simmer, add a bit of cocoa powder, and you're good to go. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear about your experience. What are some of your favorite chili variations? Do you have any secret ingredients or techniques? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious recipes, be sure to watch my other cooking videos. I've got plenty more where this came from. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.